Hi everyone, we have developed this Algo-Investing platform to do the backtesting of the stocks with different strategies. Main purpose of this Algo-Investing is that before applying our real wealth in the stock, we do the backtesting with that strategies, and if we find that that strategy is working in the past for that stock, so you can apply uh, that strategy in future investing. Multiple people are facing the problem that how algo investing works, and they are commenting that they are facing the problem. So basically this is the complete video. Here we will discuss how this algo investing platform works. So first section, which is basically backtest strategies. In this section you can do the backtesting of your stocks with the different strategies. We will discuss one by one. So let's take a stock. Let's suppose we are taking Mazagon Dog stock. This section you have to fill the company name, like short name, just like I have mentioned Maj. So basically it is recommending me that Mazagon Dock and Mazda Limited. So basically I want to search for Mazagon Dock. Then in this first parameter you have to select that from which date to which date you want to backtesting. I want, let's suppose, from last 1 year to this. What I will select November, basically because today is 10th of November. So I will select from last 10th of November to this one. After that you have to fetch the data. Here you can see that from last November to this number you get the data here. Now you will do the back testing of Mazagon Dog, so that back testing will be applied only on this data. So here let's suppose uh, this is the indicator section. You can make any indicator with the help of these given indicators. So and like that, here it is EMA, exponential moving average. Here is SMA, simple moving average, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band. In this section what you have to do, let's suppose you want to do back testing. So first of all you have to choose the amount, on which amount you want to do the back testing. So let's suppose I want to do the back testing on 20,000. After that you can see the we have implemented 6 strategies till now. First is MACD, second is EMA Crossover, third is RSI or bought or sold, fourth one is Bollinger Breakout, fifth one is moving average triple, sixth one is up 20. So let's suppose I want to check or backtest moving average triple, and you can choose the parameter here. You can see that it is fast MA, it is medium, it is slow. So let's suppose I select my fast MA 10, medium MA 25, slow EMA is 60. Let's suppose I want to do back testing with this parameter. So after that, if you will click on this run, so this will run your back test on this. You can check that this is 10th of March 25 to 10th of November 2025. Basically this date range will always be in this period, means after 10th of November 2024 you got any signals on 10th of March. So here you can see that using moving average triple you got this signal. So basically if you want that this buy and sell action should be plotted in the in this chart. So what you have to do, we have to make EMA. So you will select 3 EMA and you will do 10, 25 and 60, and in this from here you can change the color. Let's suppose I am selecting red for this, and for 10 I am selecting green color. So yes, we have created our moving average triple. So you can see that on 10th of March 2025, yes, on this date, yes, here it is. This is buy signal here, and sell is 23rd of June. Some like yes, here you have to sell. So basically you will get the when you have to buy, when you have to sell. Here you can see that you have invested 20,000 initial amount. Right now your amount is 25,190. Total profit is 5,190. So basically like that you can do back testing on different strategies here. You can do multiple back testing on the same stock with different strategy simultaneously. Let's suppose I want to compare that MACD, how it will works with this parameter 12 26 9. Let's check on this. So one by one you will get that here it was moving average ripple, on below that you are MACD, so you are in profit also using MACD. So like that you can do unlimited backtesting. You can select all parameter, all backtest strategy and one at once. Let's check Bollinger is working on not for this. You have to just run here, and you will see that from the Bollinger breakout there is no trades. Okay, so we will close this. So like that you can do back testing. You can use these indicators. Let's suppose I want to Bollinger band to apply on this band. So you can see that this black line upper bound and lower bound is Bollinger. You can change the color of this MACD also. If you apply here you can see that MACD graph is there. RSI, if you want to apply that, this is your RSI graph. You can select the parameter like uh, what is your hour bout, what is your hour sold limit, and for how much days RSI you are using. So I have selected 70 is my hour bout and 30 is my hour sold limit. So after back testing, let's suppose you select that Mazagon builder is doing very good from moving average triple. So then after, if I will be satisfied that in future I will use moving average triple for Mazagon, and I want that whenever any signal generate from these moving average triple strategy, so I want buy and sell signal on my mail. So what you have to do for that, you have to go the portfolio section. Here you have to on the right top you see add stock to portfolio. Here you have to click. Here you will select that Mazagon I will select. After that uh, this is our new feature that after you put any stock here, we will check the parameter, live parameter basically. Means today Mazagon builder has ROE 34%, ROCE 43.2%. So you can take that decision before adding that stock in portfolio. After that I will choose moving average triple here, and 10, 25, 60 is my signals. Let's suppose for future trades I want to invest 20,000. Here you will to select that duration, from what duration to what duration you want to use that strategy with this stock. So I will select from today to next 1 year, let's suppose. So add stock to portfolio. So here you will see at the bottom, Mazgon Doxy Builder using moving average triple have been added in my stock. So here, whenever any buy and sell signal will be generated from moving average triple, then it will be sent to your mail. So this you can do, you can track your stock with like that. So this is a very good parameter. First of all you have to do back testing, then you have to apply that back testing, that strategy for your future trades. So if you found that any strategy, let's suppose if you want to study how these strategies are working, and like what it means whenever any signal generates, how price momentum works, so what you have to do, let's suppose if I'm confusing about like how EMA crossover is work, so you what you have to do, you have to go in help and doc section. Here what we have done, we have mentioned what is algo investing, how to use this platform. Here we have implemented every algorithm in like a descriptive manner. So like that we have implemented, we have written EMA strategy here, means whenever signals will be generated. So as we have mentioned that when the short term EMA moves moves above long term EMA, like that. Green is short term, long long EMA is red color. So when green is going up, so there then it reflects that the reset price is moving higher than the longer ones, and like that for sell also here. So it is MACD. You can read the MACD how it works. So basically we will update this strategy as time will pass. If we found that any changes, after any changes we have done in this strategies and it is giving good result, then we will update here also. This is up 20 strategy, you can read here. Moving average triple, basically this is moving average triple, we have changes a little bit. So you what you have to do, you have to come here, you have to read this, means this when uh, when entry point will be generated, when exit point will be generated, like that. If there will be like both fast EMA and medium EMA will be below the slow EMA, and fast EMA will cross the medium EMA in upward direction. So you have to make entry point, and you have to do the opposite of that, like when both EMA the will be above the slow EMA. So and fast EMA cross the medium EMA in like that here. So in this condition you have to sell the stock. And here we have also mentioned Bollinger breakout, how this strategy work, RSI. So basically like that you can take the references from this help and doc section. This is very beautiful. So this is all from our side. So guys can do the backtesting unlimited, and check and you make your portfolio in like green. Thank you, happy investing. Bye.